So this product was given to me, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what's inside. This is a 70 electric shaver by Teapots, and it has ergonomic design. It has precision trimming, upgrade hyperflex or U-grade hyperflex technology, and it has a lithium battery which works for 90 minutes. And it takes 2 hours to fully charge. I just want to tell you guys real quick all that information. Yeah, okay. And you can hold it and lock it for holding it for 3 seconds. That's pretty standard. But just in case you don't know that, that's like if you have kids or anything like that, like they'll mess with the shaver. When they realize it's not working, they'll just not mess with it. So here is, let me open this like this. Here is the head shaver, as you can see. It looks really nice. Look at all the blades here, all the details. Also has an LED screen here. Let me hold it. You gotta hold it for 3 seconds. And then it starts shaving. It's, oh, that's really nice. I'm gonna put this back. So it also comes with another thing here. Let's check what it is. Oh, just different blades and stuff. Also comes with a brush. It comes with, I think, some oil here, a brush, different blades, and like, here's the brush, which is nice. This is the biggest brush I've seen. It's really like for the shavers, because usually they give you a little brush. It's also very soft, so it really would clean this good. But yeah, overall, looks and seems like a good product. Has everything you need, which also includes oil, but when a lot of other products doesn't have that. So yeah, and it's like I said, it's just really nice. It's nice to hold, and I have small hands too, so. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.